In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Jira. Whether you're clearing out old projects or just tidying up your workspace, learning how to efficiently manage your boards can make a world of difference. Let's get started. To begin, make sure you're at your Jira homepage. This is the command center for all your projects and tasks, so it's where we'll start our journey today. Once you're there, the next step is to navigate to the project that contains the board you want to delete. It's important to note that the project should be a company managed project. This distinction is crucial because the ability to delete boards is only available in company managed projects, not team managed ones. Now, once you've identified the correct project, take a look at the boards available under that project. You should see a list of boards, find and select the one you wish to remove. Carefully choosing the correct board is essential, as deleting a board is a permanent action that cannot be easily undone. Next, look for the three horizontal dots located next to your board's name. These dots are often referred to as an options menu or more options button. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see the option delete board. Go ahead and click on that option. This step is straightforward, but it's always good to be sure you're choosing the right board, as once deleted, it cannot be recovered. Upon selecting delete board, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions, providing you an opportunity to double check your choice. If you're certain about deleting the board, go ahead and click delete. It's a simple but crucial click that finalizes the process. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a board in Jira. Just a quick recap, starting from your Jira homepage, you navigate to the desired company managed project, find the board you wish to delete, click on the three dots next to its name, select delete board, and confirm your decision. I hope you found this guide useful and straightforward. Managing your boards efficiently can help streamline your workflow and keep your projects organized. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out to support for more specific queries. Thanks for tuning in and happy project managing.